Welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Eric, and this week we're going to be checking out Man-Flow Yoga. Man-Flow Yoga is an on-demand yoga fitness hub that crafts programs and workouts for men to help you reach your fitness goals. It's a different animal when it comes to yoga programs because it focuses on proper muscle activation, skips the unnecessarily complicated yoga speak, and doesn't include the spiritual or religious aspects of yoga that might be a bit of a turnoff to some. In essence, Man-Flow Yoga cuts right to the functional aspects of what yoga can give you with a big emphasis on fitness. As for spiritual aspects, you can just pepper it in when it suits you. Man-Flow Yoga's membership is the crown jewel of what they offer. With it, you gain access to a ton of on-demand yoga programs, workouts, tutorials, and more, all of which are curated with the male body in mind. All of the poses and modifications are put together to be better suited to men's flexibility levels and fitness goals, and in-depth technique instruction to ensure proper technique. You basically get a personal yoga for fitness guide with you wherever you go, no matter what your goal is long-term or what you're feeling at the moment. Man-Flow Yoga's membership includes a vast workout library of 300 plus workouts. Whether you're looking to improve your running performance, build foundational strength, flexibility, mobility, or just general conditioning. Anything you might be looking to improve, Man-Flow Yoga probably has a program just for that. Plus, their membership gives you access to mobile and OTT apps, tutorials and challenges, their full health and wellness library, and not to mention a members shop savings perks. Not only can yoga be an incredible workout, but it also gives you a serious opportunity to get some cross-training to break up your typical workouts. Short on time? No problem. You can train anywhere, anytime with Man-Flow Yoga's mobile app. More importantly, Man-Flow Yoga has something for all fitness levels, from beginners to seasoned fitness enthusiasts. If you're looking to break into fitness or add some foundational conditioning to your routine, Man-Flow Yoga is definitely worth checking out. Thanks guys, that's another Ready Yeti review for today. I'm Eric, we'll see you next time.